Before we begin, I kindly request you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. If you enjoy the content, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends and colleagues. Now, let's get started. In Part 1, we covered the basic reactions of Grignard reagents. Now in Part 2, we're going one step further into slightly advanced but very important reactions. We'll look at reactions with nitriles, isocyanates, and orthoformates. These are extremely useful for understanding mechanisms and scoring marks in exams. If you haven't watched Part 1 yet, the link is in the description. All right, let's start. Reaction 1. Grignard plus ester gives tertiary alcohol. When a Grignard reagent reacts with an ester, first it attacks to form a ketone intermediate. Then it attacks again. Finally, after workup, you get a tertiary alcohol. Key idea: esters always undergo two additions, giving tertiary alcohol. Reaction 2. Grignard plus orthoformate gives aldehyde. Now, when Grignard reacts with an orthoformate, the nucleophile attacks the central carbon. Then, during acidic workup, alcohol groups are removed, and you get an aldehyde. Key idea: orthoformate acts like a masked formal group. Reaction 3. Grignard plus nitrile gives ketone. Next, reaction with a nitrile. The Grignard attacks the nitrile carbon, forming an imine intermediate. After hydrolysis, this converts into a ketone. Key idea: nitriles behave like carbonyl precursors. Reaction 4. Grignard plus Weinreb amide gives ketone. This is a very important controlled reaction. Grignard attacks the carbonyl, but due to special stabilization, the second addition is blocked, so the reaction stops at the ketone stage. Key idea: Weinreb amide allows only one addition. Reaction 5. Grignard plus cyanate gives nitrile. Here, the Grignard attacks the electrophilic carbon of the cyanate group. This leads to substitution and forms a nitrile. Key idea: cyanate helps form a C-CN bond. Reaction 6. Grignard plus imine gives secondary amine. Now, with imines, Grignard attacks the carbon of the C double bond N bond. After hydrolysis, you get a secondary amine. Key idea: imines behave like carbonyls, but give amines instead of alcohols. Reaction 7. Grignard plus anhydride gives alcohol and acid. Anhydrides have two carbonyl groups. One side reacts to form a ketone, then gets attacked again, alcohol. The other side becomes a carboxylic acid. Key idea: anhydrides give mixed products. Reaction 8. Grignard plus isocyanate gives amide. Here, Grignard attacks the central carbon. After hydrolysis, you get an amide. Key idea: isocyanates act like CO insertion reagents. Reaction 9. Grignard plus formate ester gives secondary alcohol. First, addition gives an aldehyde, then a second addition happens. After workup, you get a secondary alcohol. Key idea: formate esters behave like hidden aldehydes. Thank you for watching. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends.